This is by far the easiest digital side hustle that you can start in 2025 as a complete beginner. Not an MLM, no tech experience, no chasing customers or sliding into anybody's DMs. And I'm going to teach you exactly what I have found that has made me well over $600,000 in just under 2 years. So if you're new over here, make sure you go ahead and hit subscribe because I'm going to teach you all the things about making money online. Now, I'm going to keep it real with you because there are tons of ways for you to make money online. And believe me when I tell you, I have tried almost all of them. I spent years doing network marketing, cold messaging friends and family, making those salesy posts. You guys know what I'm talking about, those parties, all of that. It never gave me the time freedom and the financial freedom that I really wanted to be that stay-at-home mom to my 3 boys. Not only that, I'm an Army wife, and that comes with moving every 2 to 3 years, so I needed something that would move with me on the go. But I honestly felt like I was looking for a needle in a haystack. I wanted some kind of unicorn opportunity where I could work less and make more. And if you are anything like me, you feel like you've tried all the things too. So let me tell you what didn't work and then what did. What didn't work for me was network marketing, because doing that relied on me growing a team and relied on me doing the parties to make the sales. It was incredibly time consuming and I was exhausted. My husband and I actually had a conversation one time where we said the month that I made the most, $3,000 in that single month, he never saw me, because when he would come home from work, I would have to leave so that I couldn't be around my kids because I had to have my face glued to my phone. So that time freedom was out the window. That financial freedom was super, super small for the amount of work that I was putting in. So I wanted nothing to do with that. So I started hunting for the next thing, and I found those Quickly emails. Those are the ones where you could send out emails and make a couple cents for every email that you sent out. I felt like I was closer on the right track because it was less work, but extremely small pay. So then I said, okay, I'm gonna do my own thing. I'm gonna start my own online boutique. Tell me in the comments if you have ever had your own business, because if so, you know the amount of work that goes into that. And I'd love to hear what you've started as well. For me, having that boutique, I had to work more. I had to do all the shipping. I had to hold the inventory. I had to deal with vendors. And so my profits went up a little bit from network marketing to having my own boutique, but I was still exhausted and overworked and overtired and underpaid. So here's what I found. I started seeing these people showing up on my newsfeed talking about how they were making thousands a week, even thousands a day. I watched this girl make 40 grand in 2 months doing this whole digital marketing thing. And I was first in line to say that sounds too good to be true. It sounds too good to be true because I had tried all of the things. But I started asking the questions and I started looking into it more. And then when I finally decided to try that thing that I was so skeptical about, my baby goal was to make $1,200 a month. And in my very first month, I made $29,000. I'm not somebody that comes from money. I grew up watching my daddy work 3 jobs to make ends meet, and then I fell into that pattern of working 3 jobs. I had never made 6 figures in my life, and in 5 months I hit my first 6 figures, and now 2 years later I have been able to build a house, pay it off, and buy my dream car and save so much money for my family. And now I get really passionate about this because I get to help other people see the same success. I get messages like this all of the time from other people that I'm helping that are seeing a wild success here. So if you've been looking for the best digital side hustle that you can do from your couch, around your kids, that you can do as a retiree in your 50s or 60s or 70s, this is it. Make sure you check out the link in my description because that's going to give you the exact blueprint that I followed to see the success that I found. If you have any questions, just let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I teach you all the ways to make money online. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.